Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look as usual on the gold market. On the gold market we continue to monitor the consolidation right at the top, since we hope that we will get some Jordan Apple pattern. And as we have discussed the situation in our weekly research, we said if we wouldn't get the voting, we probably could say that we should be ready for taking the short position on the gold market, because tactically long positions a bit overloaded. So speculative position stands at the extreme top. I mean the long positions, and when we have such situation with the speculative positions, usually market shows significant retracement, and this retracement is we're expecting for a considerable period already, because it should come also by another reason, not just because of the commitment of traders report, but also because just existing of the long-term bearish momentum in the market. And since we have the first upward significant swing since the January, the long-term bearish momentum still exists, and the market needs to fade it down. And usually this happens on the deep retracements, when the last impact of the bearish momentum come to the market, and it triggers the deep retracement. That when the power is exhausted, market reestablishing the upward action and shows the major wave of the upward trend. This just explains the Elliott waves sequence. So the first wave, as you know, this usually small, and the retracement after the first wave is usually significant. This explains particularly the same what I have just talked about. So the first leg is the initial upward leg of the trend, new trend. The second leg has the deep retracement because of the existence of bearish momentum, and the third wave usually more significant on any trend. Now we stand in the first probably wave. I am really not the fan of the Elliott waves, but following the market mechanics, I tried to translate the sequence of the Elliott waves to the current situation, and to explain from that point of view that the first leg we have from the January. Now we expect the second leg, so the significant retracement on the gold market. Although the long-term perspective on the gold market still remains bullish, we expect significant action within the few years on the gold market. But right now, as first leg has come to a logical point where the positions stands at the extreme highs, long positions a bit overloaded, so we expect some relief, and probably this could happen and the Brexit voting could become the trigger moment. So when the market investors will see that no Brexit will happen, they could try to turn to massive closing of the shorts, and they take in profit of the longs. So something really could happen, and the retracement could be triggered. In the short-term perspective, we'll be watching for the patterns, technical patterns that could trigger this, and one of the patterns could become the Jordan Apple directional patterns. Particularly speaking, we're watching for a double repo sell pattern here right now. So take a look what we have thrust up. Yesterday we haven't got the close below the 3x3, but maybe this will happen today. This was a significant drop. This, guys, probably could be treated as the attempt to continue move higher that has failed, and the market opened with a gap down. So you can see that close was here, open was here, and market hasn't closed it totally this gap yet. So now market stands in downward action. So this is really very dramatic action right now at the top, and we could get a real double repo sell. After that, we suggest that market will close here. After that, we need the second close above the 3x3, and then close below again. And when this will happen, this will be the confirmation pattern for possible taking the short position. So that's what we'll be watching for on the gold market, because currently, guys, you can see in this consolidation, it's not much to watch for. until we will not get the clear patterns and confirmed pattern. On the 4-hour time frame chart, this action takes the shape of some kind of the triangle that could be broken in the opposite direction. Maybe market will form something else here, but right now you can see the massive multiple grabbers. That was the first grabber, reverse grabber. Now the one we've got here. I will just show you the first one. So it's another one. Both of them suggest the taking out of the previous lows. So maybe market will show at least the minor breakout first. So currently, guys, it's not really very interesting what's happening inside of it. It's most interesting what we will get here. And I hope that by the Thursday, maybe on Friday, when we will get the first result of the voting, maybe at the eve, because technical patterns sometimes anticipate the coming of the real political events. So maybe even we will get the confirmed pattern even before the results of the Brexit voting. So maybe something else will happen in the political sphere and the global sphere. We do not know. But what I do know is that we just need to wait the clear pattern on the gold market. If we will get it, that could become the very important moment for the gold market, since it could become a triggering point, triggering pattern for deep retracement on the gold market.